Hey everyone, want to make money fast in 2025? Listen up, because I've got the game plan you need. First, jump into high-demand work. Forget the slow stuff, you want what pays now. Think freelancing. Can you write, design, edit videos, or manage social media? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients worldwide. Pro tip: specialize in a niche like TikTok marketing or AI content writing for higher pay. Maybe selling products online is more your speed. E-commerce and dropshipping let you sell trending items through Facebook ads or TikTok without holding inventory. Check TikTok trends or use Google Trends to find hot products. Don't overlook local hustles. Car detailing, house cleaning, or setting up smart home gadgets can bring fast cash. Real estate agents and small businesses need video content. Learn basic skills and offer your services. Work smart, not just hard. Instead of trading time for money, build a business that pays more per project. For example, if you're cleaning cars, offer premium services like ceramic coating. Biggest trick? Learn how to sell. Convince people to buy and you'll always make money. Ride the trends. The fastest way to make money in 2025 is to jump on what's hot right now. AI side hustles are booming. Learn ChatGPT and automation tools to help businesses save time, or flip underpriced items from thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Promote trending products on social media and earn commissions. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank pay you for every sale. Remember, move fast. Most people watch trends instead of acting. Don't be that guy. And sell something, anything. Your first sale is everything. Whether it's services like social media management, digital products like ebooks, or physical products like custom t-shirts, just start selling. Work with people who have money. Find clients with cash and sell them what they need. Instead of cheap logos, offer branding packages to businesses. Go where business owners hang out, like LinkedIn or Facebook business groups. Keep emergency cash and invest in yourself. Save at least $100, $500 for opportunities. Best investment? Yourself. Learn high-income skills like copywriting or coding. Stay consistent. Quick money is a trap. The real goal is making money that doesn't stop. Pick one hustle and master it. Most people quit too early. Stay in the game. Final advice: get started now. Don't overthink it. Even if you make just $10, that's your first step. Take action today, and a year from now, you'll be glad you did. All right, go out there and start hustling smart.